sleek this bun is looking. I don't know why my last few videos I've been doing super sleek hairstyles. I think it's because every time I decide to film, it's on a day where my hair is looking horrible, like it's day 4 of not washing it, or it's just crazy and I can't control it, so I just wet it, slick it back, or slick it up, and this is what I get. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today, I really appreciate it. If you're new here, click that big red subscribe button, and without further ado, let's just get right into the video. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am back with another BOXYCharm unboxing. I told you guys in my last video that I had ordered 2 BOXYCharm boxes, not on purpose, but because I signed up at the end of July, so they sent me July's box. And then a few days later, I got another notification saying that I would be getting the August box. So today, I have the August BOXYCharm box. So I'm super excited. My first one ended up being awesome. Like, I loved everything in it. I was really happy with the products, and for the price you really can't go wrong because you get like $140 for the product for about $35 Canadian with shipping. So that's incredible. So I'm really excited to open today's box. If you guys want to see what I got in my August BOXYCharm box, then just please keep watching. Alright, let's open this up. I don't know what's in this box because, again, I did not look on the website. I wanted to be surprised. It was really hard because I was so excited to see what was in here, but I haven't checked yet. So let's see together what I got. So I don't know if you guys can see. There's just a little cover covering everything. So I have a little card here. I'm going to read off everything that I got in the box, starting with the first one on the list. So the first product in the box is the Becca Hydro Mist and Refresh Powder. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever heard of it, so I'm gonna grab it out of the box here. Okay, so that is the packaging right there. I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like inside. These are full-size products too. It's crazy. I don't know how they do it, but all the better for me, I guess. So this is what it looks like. Just a little container. Well, it's not little actually. So it is a full-size container of powder. I'm gonna open it up and kind of see what it feels like. So I just have to take off the little plastic there. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the powder. Oh my gosh. It literally feels like silk. It's so soft. I don't think I've ever felt a powder that felt less like powder in my life. Doesn't smell like anything, so that's good. I don't like super flowery powders or really sweet smelling powders. I prefer them not to have any scent at all. Oh shit. Oh, it is really cool to the touch, but I just spilled it everywhere, so that's nice. Okay, so this video is not off to a great start. I just spilled the powder everywhere. So I'm just gonna keep that closed, but when I did put it on my fingers, it is super cool to the touch, which is really interesting. I mean, it's called the Hydro Mist Set and Refresh, so it feels like it would be really refreshing. It's super soft, like super silky and buttery, which is a really nice feeling for a powder to have. Okay, so this powder retails for $39. That's pretty impressive. It says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So I am really excited to try this. I love trying new powders. I kind of get stuck in a rut. When I find something I like, I stick with it, and I've really tried to get out of that and, you know, really try new things. Right now my favorite powders are any of the Maybelline Matte and Poreless powders or the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder. They're super affordable and they're incredible quality in my opinion. So I'm super excited to try this, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So the next thing in my box here that I got is the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. So that is what it looks like right there. Super cute packaging, love the gold. Anything gold I'm a sucker for. And the light pink packaging is super cute. So it's just like a little applicator like that. So I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand here. Oh, so I don't know if you can see. It's like a pinky colored oil. So I'm assuming you would just put this under your makeup. But I'm just gonna rub some into the back of my hand here. Oh, it feels really nice. It's not super oily, like to where the point where you feel like you're rubbing like olive oil on your face. It's very light and it does soak into the skin. It's really pretty smelling. It has like a very light floral scent, but nothing overwhelming. And I feel like it would just fade away after a few minutes on your face. So it does soak in really nicely. I was kind of afraid of a product like this just because I do have oily skin for the most part. So if I was to put this under my makeup, I would be afraid that by, you know, 2 hours in, my makeup would be like sliding off my face, but I really don't think that that's the case. I feel like this would just give you a really nice moisturized base to go ahead with your makeup. So it says, this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. No matter what skin type you have, oily for me, the lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it 1 drop at a time. And the retail price of this product here is $42. Again, very impressive. So I'm super excited to try this on my skin. Currently, I've been using Proactive because I've had a never-ending breakout like on the bottom part of my face. And it started to get super frustrating because I've never dealt with acne in my adult life and it really affects your self-esteem. So when I was younger, I did use Proactive for a while. It really dried out my skin, but it did clear it up. So I ordered some. I've been trying it for about a week and a half now at this point. I think it'll be 2 weeks on Saturday. And I'm really liking it. It, again, did dry out my skin, but my skin has, I'd say, about 70% cleared up. And that makes me so happy because I've been struggling for like 3 months, I want to say, with the same acne and it would not go away. So once my skin is all cleared up and seems to be back to normal, I'm gonna definitely give this guy a try. Ooh, I'm excited about this one because I'm a sucker for mascara. So the next product I have is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. So that's the packaging right there. I'm gonna open it up. And they gave it in the shade black, which is perfect. I don't like brown mascara, really. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay. So that is the tube right there. So pretty. Let's see what the wand looks like. Oh, that's a really fat wand. I probably could use this for bottom lashes, but I'm excited to try this. So, like, I love this packaging. It's absolutely beautiful. It says, an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So, like I said, super excited to try that. I love any kind of new mascaras, eyelash curlers, anything like that. I love to make my lashes just look full and long because I very seldomly wear false lashes. So next up I have the Pure The Complexion Authority Paint Glitter Mask. So this is what it looks like right here. This is a brightening peel-off mask. So this says, created in celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie, this mask is packed with licorice extract, skin-nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 key botanicals to help brighten the skin's appearance without unwanted irritation for a visibly renewed complexion. The non-plastic glitter formula helps deliver immediate radiance for healthy-looking glow that lasts. And the MSRP of this one is 26 bucks. I actually forgot to tell you guys what the MSRP for the mascara was. That was $23. I'll put it up on the screen somewhere for each one so at least you'll know if I miss it. So I'm not going to bother opening this because it's probably really sticky. But I am excited to try this again once my skin is cleared up and is kind of in the clear. I'm going to definitely give some of these facial products a try. So I'm really excited for that as well. And then last but not least, we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. That's what that looks like right there. I haven't tried any Briogeo hair products, so I'm really excited to try this. I have really curly hair, so anything that can give it some moisture to kind of tame it down, I'm all for it. I'm just gonna give it a little... Oh, so it smells really good. Kind of like fruity, citrusy kind of smelling. So this one says, the super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro-encapsulated argan oil and optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include vitamin B, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin to help promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. And then the MSRP for this one is $16. So that's everything I got in my box. I'm very excited to try it all. I cannot wait. This is something that I don't think I'm gonna stop doing, because for 35 bucks a month, I get all these products. I think it's about 140 US dollars worth of product. So I don't know, like $170 worth Canadian. So I'm super, super happy with everything I got in this box. I'll let you guys know how everything goes. Oh, last but not least, sorry, I did forget to mention, this was a gift if you signed up in July. So this is the Glam Glow Insta Mud 60-second pore refining treatment. I love anything Glam Glow, so I am pumped to try this one. That's what the packaging looks like, and it's a full size. Like, this was just a gift that I got for signing up. So again, I cannot wait to try that either. Thank you guys again so much for being here. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you who have hit that red subscribe button. And if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see in a future video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.